Let's get started installing your pre-made template. From the search bar on your admin screen, search Kit Library. Kit Library will open up, and it has over 100 pre-made templates for you to choose from. Any service that you like to provide, there's a template for it. A wedding planner, cuisine, fashion, makeup artist, a full-on restaurant, to handyman, and all things in between. Once you find a template that catches your eye, simply click on it, and it'll open up to a preview. Scroll through so you're able to get a feel for your future site. If you don't like the site, simply click Back to Library in the upper left corner. Or if you're pleased with this one, simply click Apply Kit. Apply to all. The next button, Enable, and it'll set up your kit. Usually this takes a few minutes, just be patient. Once your kit is live, go back to your admin dashboard. To view your site in live, click Visit App, and there it is. This is the view that your website visitors will see. Now, it's time for you to customize this site and make it your own. Have fun!